In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on exactly how to redeem your PlayStation gift card on your PS5. So the first thing we need to do is to go into our PS5 right here, as you can see, and then go into settings up top right here. And now on settings, you're just going to click on users and accounts, and then click on account right here. So we're just going to click on account, payment, and subscriptions right here, and then redeem codes. So now you will need to enter a 12-character voucher code. So you can see this is my gift card right here, and the voucher code should be down below right here. And sometimes you have to, by the way, like scrape it. So do so. And I'm going to now put this code into there, and I'm going to come back to you when it's done. So now when I've entered the code here, as you can see, you can now click on redeem, and you can also see exactly how much you will be able to get. So I'm just going to click on redeem right here, and you can see that my fund has now been added with 500 Swedish crowns. So I'm just going to click on OK right here. So now to be able to actually use the funds or the money that you just got, you can go into games here and PlayStation Store as an example, and you should be able to see it. I'm just going to scroll up here and then scroll to the three dots right here, I believe. And you can see, yep, in the wallet right here, it says that I have 500 Swedish crowns, so it actually works. And you can start using it here on the PlayStation Store. And I believe that you can also use it for subscriptions. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to do this.